Let's test it. Let's check if there is salt. Guys, join in. Today we are going to make okra soup. Delicious okra soup, guys. So here is our oil. So I added the oil inside the pot. I'm using a little oil. I don't like using so many oil in my okra. I like just small oil. Guys, here is the onions. I added onions after the oil. So I will mix it together. Leave it for them to add the breaded onions with pepper. So add it inside. So I will mix it together. Turn it together. I will go in with some salt and Maggi. I will stir it together and cover it to cook. Okay guys, let's check our stew. So you can see we turn it. After turning it, you add water. So I'm not going to add the okra, I will add the water. So I added water. You can see that everything is mixed together. So I will go in with my shaki. This is shaki. I boiled it before to wash it. So I will add it. I will also add the cow leg. I will also add it inside, guys. Please share this video. And I will stir it together. Cover it to cook. Okay guys, let's check our soup. As you can see, it's cooking very well. So we add our mushroom. Add it inside. And we also add the fish you want to make use of. Add fish inside. Turn it together. Cover it to cook. Okay guys, we have to remove some fish inside. I will leave the head of the fish before pouring the okra. So cue the butter. I will leave the head of the fish inside. I will leave the head of the fish inside. Here is the okra. I will add the okra. You can see that. I will add the okra. And I will turn it together. Turn it very well. I see the way I'm turning it. Turn it like this. So I will add the dry fish. This is dry fish. I will add it and mix it together. Mix it together. Let's test it if there is salt. Very sweet. So we are going to cover it half for like 1 minute. We'll come back. Okay guys, let's check it. You can see the food is cooking very well. So let's turn it. You can see it. Let's test it. Let's check if there is salt. So we add a little salt. Small salt. We add in the remaining fish. And mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Leave it for a minute before bringing it down. Okay guys, the soup is ready. It's ready to eat, guys. The soup is ready to eat. We don't finish with that.